Dodge Grand Caravan here, and we have an issue with whenever we go through a puddle, the serpentine belt wants to come off. So I have a video on how to put that serpentine belt on. It happens so often. Wanted to give a quick update. I am able to drive this vehicle through puddles now, and the belt is not being thrown. So I'm assuming this is the main issue that's causing the belt to be thrown off. So please check this out, get this fixed, and best of luck. See, so I took the wheel off, and as you come in here, there's like a splash guard right here. So as you can see, the splash guard comes up right here, and like literally the belt is right there. So what's happening is the water is coming up, hitting this splash guard, and it's actually directing it right to the belt. So we're having an issue with this belt. Whenever you go through a puddle or snow, it kicks up into the tire and it splashes and it goes right to the belt. This gets wet and it throws the belt off. So what I've done is I've taken a drill bit that's meant for drilling through metal. I drilled in here, and then I also drilled through, as you can see right here, through that splash guard. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these together, which is going to draw out that splash guard, and then you can see it's not going to be directing water directly into our belt. It should eliminate that issue. And there you can see why we're having the issue. And now what I've done is I went to the hardware store and I just picked up some stainless steel bolt. I had one, it just wasn't long enough, and so you might have this stuff on hand. And then I picked up a lock nut so that this doesn't pop off. And we're going to put that up there. So we do want to have a washer on the plastic side because we do not want to just have this little head pulling and taking all the weight against that splash guard. And then I just bought another one on the other side. I probably didn't need it, but that way the nut's not directly pushing up against the metal. So now I've got that bolt through there. I have the large washer on the back side of that, and then we're just gonna proceed to push it through this hole here. Now we have this bolt on here. We have the washer, one on the back side of the splash guard, one on the front. We have our locking nut here as well. We're just gonna tighten this down now. So now you can see I got this tightened down here. Got a little bit coming out. There's a gap there because there is a little lip to that splash guard. So this is going to help considerably. And as you can see, we do not have a direct path to our belt any longer. So we should be able to go through puddles once again. This is a common problem on, I believe, like 1998 to 2003. Dodge Grand Caravans and Chrysler Town and Countries.